Hello guys, this is the most important video for civil engineering students about steel structural design. So let's get started guys. If you are new on this channel, so you may like the video and subscribe the channel for more civil engineering updates. Let me focus the camera. Guys, you can see here we have short beam and long beam. Right, and the beam is same, B1, long beam is B1 and B2 is shorter beam. If you see, we have two sections. For long beam this is the section, and for short beam this is the section. For both sections guys, you can see clearly, for this long beam we have these two sections, one, and this is the second one, which is two. For long beam this is only one section, right? If you see guys, the span between two columns is here 8 feet and 4 inches from one central line to the other central line. Next, the long beam span is 17 feet 1.5 inches from one central line to another central line. So this is the clear span between two columns. This is the shorter beam span, okay, which is for 8 feet and 4 inches. So let me guide you for the B1. The B1 long section guys, you can see, so here this is the span, which is 17 feet and 1.5 inch. This is one column, this is other column, where you can see this is one column, this is other column, because this is long section. Here we have two section. This one, this is the most important, so you should know about this point. So this is 1B, so the 1B is this section. This section is for 1A, where 1A you can see clearly this one. Next, the size of the beam is 13.5 inches by 12 inches depth, with the thickness of the slab which is 6 inches. So with the beam with slab is 18 inches depth, but the beam size is 13.5 inches by 12 inches. And section, this one guys, you can see the section 1B is this one, so where we have 4 bars at the bottom, 4 plus 2 guys, you can see clearly. So let me focus the camera, you will know very well. Okay guys, you can see, so 4, 1 2 3 4 plus 2 side bars you can see at the bottom. The dia is 5 sutar, 5 by 8 inch bar. If you see guys, we have 4 bars at the top portion, the dia is same 5 sutar. Next guys, you can see the stirrup. So they used 3 sutar 3 by 8 with the spacing of 8 inches. It means here we have, guys, you can see clearly, we have 2 side bars. One is this one and this is the other one. You can see clearly from starting from here, this one guys, you can see this is that one. One is showing at the front side and the other is at the opposite of this one, right? So next guys, you can see, if you see the spacing is 3 sutar with the spacing of 8 inches center to center, you can see clearly. So this is very important for you people to know about this point, right? This is especially for this. If you see at the distance of L by 3, you can say, which is 36 inches. Look here, this is 36 inches. So here we have more shear stresses. So if you see, the spacing of the stirrup is placed closely compared to this 8 inches. So this is the section where the spacing is 4 inches. So you can see 3 sutar with the spacing of 4 inches center to center. Guys, you can see the spacing is placed closely. The first stirrup should be placed with the minimum spacing of 2 inches. The first one near its support, it means column. So if you see guys here, this is the section for 1A. So this is the 1A. So you can see the spacing are placed closely, 4 inches center to center, and here 8 inches center to center. Look here guys, this is the spacing. So we increased because here we don't have more chances of cracks. Here we have bending moment, so therefore we did the 2 side bars, which is this one here. Okay, one is this one, this is the other one, but here at this section we don't see that one. So therefore we don't have the extra side bars, only at the distance of after L by 3 or after 36 inches. So this is the point. Next guys, you can see the B2 B2 is shorter span. You can see this is one column and this is other column. Beam plan is this one. So if you need house planning, structural drawing, 3D animation, so you can contact me on this WhatsApp number. Okay, So guys, if you see here, so let me guide you for this. Only we have one section. The size is same, 13.5 inches by 12 inches with slab thickness which is 18 inches. 4 bars we have at the bottom. The dia is 5 suture, 5 number of bar they used, and 3 bars at the top portion. Okay, and the dia is 5 suture because here this is the shorter span, so therefore we don't have maximum length, so therefore the design is simple according to this one. Okay, and also we have 3 bars here at the top portion. So the stirrup spacing is 4 inches for all beam. As you can see, spacing is same because only here we have 2A section and 2A section, which is this one. You can see clearly. So guys, this is a short video but very important for you people. And here the concrete cover is 1.5 inches and hooks are bent on 135 degree with the thickness of 3 inches. So guys, this is a short video but very important and helpful video for those civil engineering students which are working on construction site. Hope this short video can help you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.